Today, we'll draw an elephant. I started by drawing its trunk. Weather is very nice today. There's nothing but blue skies outside, and a little dusty. What's it like out there? If it is raining out there, tell me about that. I love to play in the rain with my daughters. Time to color. Let's do it. Did you know that the elephants have the largest brain among all the animals? In fact, they have an amazing memory. They never forget. Elephants are highly sensitive and caring animals. If a baby elephant complains, the entire family will go over to touch and caress it to soothe it. It makes me very sad that the Lahore Zoo's only elephant, Susie, had died. No more elephants in Lahore Zoo now. I hope to see another Susie one day.